ladies and gentlemen, my name is Simone from Waterfall Arms and Outdoor. Here at Waterfall Arms and Outdoor, we have the biggest showcase of Victorinox products, from our Swiss Army pocket knives right through to our kitchen products, as well as our complete Victorinox cutlery set, our graters, peelers and tin openers. We also have tailor scissors, knife sharpeners, household scissors, nail clippers and no scissors nickel. So if you're looking for any Victorinox products, come visit us at Waterfall Arms and Outdoor. I'm waiting for you.